Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you a super cool trick on your Samsung phone that not many people know about. So first of all, what we will need to do is we will need to head over to our gallery. Once we head over to our gallery, we can then click on the three lines in the bottom right hand corner. Once we select this, we need to click on settings. Once we click on settings, we can scroll all the way down to the bottom until we see the option for about gallery. And then we need to now click on version multiple times until we enable Gallery Labs. As you can see, Gallery Labs is now enabled, and if we come back to the screen that we was on before, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then we have now an option for Gallery Labs. Once we click on this, as you can see, there is a whole load of different options that we can mess about with that, relates to our gallery. So this is a super cool trick on your Samsung phone, guys. Not many people know about this. And if this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, subscribe for future tips and tricks on your Android phone, and I will see you in the next one.